Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 05 STI. This week we got a quick and easy video. We are going to be swapping out the cabin filter on this car, as I've never swapped it out, and who knows when the last time in the last 20 years that filter has been swapped out. Now it's a little bit different than on the 22WRX, as the 22WRX you just pull the glove box down and it just kind of slides in and out. Super basic, super easy. On this car you actually have to unbolt part of the dash. So there's like 7 Phillips head screws that are around the glove box, and then the whole thing comes off, and then one clip on the side. But yeah, once you have the whole glove box assembly out, then you have access to the where the cabin air filter goes, and we should be able to just swap it out. But I'm really curious to see what this filter looks like, as like I said, we don't know when it was changed last. So I'm gonna get you guys set up on the passenger side of the car. We'll get it taken apart. Let's go. All right, so we're in the car. Pull the glove box down and get it down all the way. This thing. All right, so we get it down all the way. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a couple screws to take out. So I think there's like 7 or 8 of them. And then we have this clip on the side, and then this whole assembly should come out. So let's get all the screws taken out and see what it looks like behind the dash. All right, with the glove box taken out, it just is held on by this little sensor, or this light here. I can't really get that clip off right now, so we're just gonna leave that. But you just need to unclip this right here on the bottom of the blower motor. And now we have access to our filter. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my God. This is what it looks like. It looks like at some point there might have been something living in there. Let me get my vac and let me suck this out. And this has to be the reason why the AC and the blower system wasn't working great. But yeah, let me get my vacuum and let me suck that out. Look at this. This was literally the filter as I pulled it out, and then this is what I sucked out. I mean, this is crazy. It is super clean in there now. Let's see if I can get a good view. Yeah, super clean and like brand new now, but geez, you literally can't make that up. I've never seen a filter that bad. So obviously we have a brand new filter going in. Man, I don't even know if this could be, what is this? So you can see some chew marks on it. Filter. I can't tell if it's an OEM filter or not, but like, who knows? This could be the original filter. 20 years old. Who knows if that filter has ever been replaced, but I'm glad we're replacing it now, and I'm glad we got all of that sucked out. So let's get our new cabin filter installed, and we'll button the dash back up. Let's go. All right, so after we got everything cleaned out, you want to grab your new filter, of course. So this is what the filter should look like. So not just like a big pile of junk. So you just want to pay the attention to the airflow. So airflow is going to go up, so we'll slide it in that way. But other than that, that should be it. Let's get this filter put in, and we'll get the dash back together. Let's go. And just like that, our dash is put back together and our glove box is put back in. brand new cabin air filter. I still can't believe how bad that filter was in this car. Like, that filter is like something you see on like Facebook or something, of like horror stories of what like a filter looks like if you've never changed it. And that could have been the original filter. So glad we got that swapped out on this episode. But we got more parts that just came in. We are still trying to do our transmission service on this car. I've been trying to do it for like two weeks or so. It took a while to get the fluids for the front. I ended up just doing the back, and I have that part of the video filmed. And then the trans pan on this car, it's just the bolt's stripped. So I've been trying to, I tried to take it off with an extractor bit, unsuccessful. So we ended up just ordering a brand new transmission pan. So not sure when that episode will be out, but that's just changing the diff fluids, and it turned into changing the transmission pan. So that should be an interesting one, but we have other parts that came in too. We have some APR goodies, some front end goodies, but until next time, see you guys.